and welcome back to another Sheila Show Me video. Today I'm going to show you inside a brand new Swift Voyager 485. So this is brand new for this year. It's a lovely new coach build, 5 berth 5 belt, and it is 7.54 meters long. So it's a nice long vehicle. You do have your outdoor shower point just starting there. I will show you inside the garage just here. Nice large garage there, and then that is also your pillows and your removable carpet, and then the accessories for that outdoor shower. Moving then around to the rear of the vehicle, you do have a nice reverse camera, but let's hop straight inside. As you can see, this is a Ford, and this vehicle will be replacing the Swift Edge. So lovely upgrade here. Moving into the front of the cab, this one is a manual, but you can speak to our sales team to find out about our delivery schedule for the automatics. You'll also see that lovely large multimedia system there, as well as your aircon and then your multi-functioning steering wheel in the front. So this would be your main living and dining area. There is a table that does latch on here, and it's just in the boot. But what I really wanted to show you is how there's different ISOFIX points within this vehicle. As I mentioned, it is 5 berth 5 belt, so it's a nice family friendly one. Again, in front of me, more ISOFIX points, and then some additional USB points just below here. So this area makes up a large single bed. So nice large single bed for one person. Up above you then have your second and third berth, because this is a nice large double up here. And you can have a big nosy there. Jordan's a lot taller than me. But nice spacious area, and everyone kind of has their own little space. So you have your first berth, second and third berth, and then moving down the back, I'll show you them in a wee second, but into the kitchen. So into your nice kitchen area, you do have a lovely sink and your little tray there. You then have 3 gas hob and hot plate, and then a combined oven and grill just in here. Moving down then, you do have your full fridge with a freezing compartment up at the top, and this is the new design where you can open on either side as well. Then moving to the rear of the vehicle, you do have your final 5th and 6th berth, and that is 2 singles high above the guards that I showed you just earlier. Down below you will see there is loads and loads of compartments here for you to store different items. You can really create like homes, that's what I like to call them. And you know, you can put your shoes in there, you can build the space whichever way you want. And then in here, additional space, and the other side as well, more shelving space. So you know, there's tons. If you want to go away on a long trip, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, there's plenty of space for everything. The other things that I haven't showed you is there's 2 TV points in this vehicle. One just here in the back, and then one in the front. So you can install 2 different TV stations as well. Moving to your bathroom, just in here. This is a combined toilet and shower area. Nice sink. And that sink also folds up out of the way whenever it's not required. And that kind of opens up that shower space come that time. Your shower head nice and large, and as well as moving your sink out of place, you also protect your toilet roll, so you can keep your roll in there once you're having a shower, close that over, and you don't have to worry about a soggy toilet roll. Like there's just so much space and so much storage opportunities. Look at this huge drawer. I've never seen a drawer so big in a motorhome. And then over here you've got additional storage drawers here. You know, this could be used as a TV unit, because there is that TV point there. You could have your TV sitting here, all your different card games and board games in below. You can really picture the vision. That is it from me. That was our brand new Swift Voyager 485 layout. If you'd like to know any more about the vehicle, you know, how this bed's made up, anything at all, or any other Swift vehicles, or any other manufacturers that we do, because we do 12, please let me know. You can contact me 028 9269 3999, or drop me an email, marketing@thompsonleisure.com. Drop a comment below and I'll pick all them up as well, and I'll see you in the next video.